In this video, we're diving into how to track video progress in Descript, one of the best tools for streamlining your video editing process. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to get more organized with your video projects, this feature will change the way you work. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently track your progress in Descript, saving you time and frustration. Now, before we get started, if you're new to Descript, you can actually try it for free by using the link below. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses. You don't want to miss this, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video to grab that special offer. Tracking video progress in Descript is incredibly simple, but it has powerful capabilities that make a huge difference. First things first, Descript offers a transcript-based video editing interface. This means, as you're working through your video, you're essentially editing text rather than raw footage, making it much easier to spot progress at any point. You'll see a timeline that aligns perfectly with your video's audio or text, making it easy to pinpoint where you're at in your project. Now, to track your video progress, simply start by importing your video or audio file into Descript. Once the file is uploaded, Descript automatically generates a transcript for you, which you can edit right alongside the video. You can see how much of the video has been transcribed and how much is left, giving you an immediate visual of your progress. This is particularly helpful if you're working with long projects because you can quickly assess how much more work is required. Descript's timeline is also key for tracking. Along with your transcriptions, you'll have a visual timeline of both the audio and the video. Each section of the timeline corresponds to different parts of your video. And as you make edits or adjustments, you'll notice the timeline updating in real time. It gives you a great overview of how far along you are, letting you focus on editing without worrying about getting lost in the footage. A cool feature is the ability to use markers. You can drop markers on the timeline to help track specific points in the video where you want to make changes, revisit, or note down progress for later. These markers are a great way to keep organized, especially when you have multiple edits or revisions that need to be tracked. Another way to track your progress is through the multi-clip view in Descript. If you're working on a project with multiple clips or segments, you can view and track them all at once. You can also easily switch between clips and see how much editing has been done per segment. This is perfect if you're managing a project with multiple contributors or working with various scenes in one video. Descript also offers real-time collaboration, so if you're working on a team, you'll be able to track progress collaboratively. Each team member can work on different parts of the project, and you can check each person's progress in the timeline or by reviewing the edits they've made. This makes team editing much easier and more transparent. Now, what's really special about Descript is how it lets you undo and redo edits instantly. As you're tracking your progress, you can always go back to earlier points if necessary. This non-linear workflow gives you flexibility and ensures you're always in control of your edits. To make sure you don't miss any steps, remember to check your project's export settings regularly. You can track not only your editing progress, but also how close you are to finishing your project in terms of final outputs, formats, and exports. Finally, when you're wrapping up, you'll notice the software provides insights on project completion. You'll be able to gauge if you're close to finishing and what remains based on the edits you've made and the time left on the timeline. This overview allows you to strategize your final steps before exporting your content for distribution. And here's the kicker. We've got a special offer for you. Click the link below for an extended free trial of Descript, where you can try out all these features without any commitment. Don't miss out. By using Descript's built-in tools to track your video progress, you'll streamline your workflow and make your video editing more efficient than ever. So don't wait. Grab that free trial and start improving your video editing game today.